Hello friends, I am Dr. Smita Anekar, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Botany, Sadhguru Ghadge Maharaj College, Karad. Today, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the classification of algae given by G.M. Smith. You know about algae. Algae is nothing but chlorophyll containing photoautotrophic thalloid plant body. Photoautotrophic means the plants they can produce their own food materials with the help of photosynthesis. Then next thalloid plant body means the plant does not differentiate into root, stem and leaves. Then comes to the classification of algae. G.M. Smith has classified algae in 1955 on the basis of considering some important characters. First one is presence of dominant chlorophyll pigment, then presence of reserve food matrix, then physiology of vegetative cells. Fourth one is morphology of motile reproductive gametes, and last one is phylogenetic characters of algae. He has classified algae into 7 divisions, and each division further classified into different classes. Then we will see the division first. Chlorophyta. Chlorophyta classified into 2 classes, Chlorophyceae and Charophyceae. Chlorophyceae is also known as grass green algae. Charophyceae is also called as stoneworts. Then comes to the second division, division Ignonophyta, again classified into single class Ignonophyceae. Then Pyrophyta, again classified into 2 classes, Desmophyceae and second one Dinophyceae. Division 4, Chrysophyta. Chrysophyta classified into 3 classes, Chrysophyceae. Chrysophyceae is also known as golden brown algae. Second class Xanthophyceae. Xanthophyceae is also known as yellow green algae. Then class Basilorophyceae is also known as Dinophytes. Division Phaeophyta, again divided into 3 classes. First one is isogenerati, heterogenerati, cyclospory. The next division Cyanophyta. Cyanophyta includes only one class, Cyanophyceae. Last division Rhodophyta. It also includes only one class, Rhodophyceae. We will discuss about the general characters of Chlorophyta. The members of Chlorophyta includes freshwater as well as in marine water. The chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B are most important photosynthetic pigments are occurs in these divisions. The reserve food matrix are recorded is in the form of starch. Motile reproductive cells are biflagellate or quadriflagellate in nature. Reproductions occurs asexual and sexual types. The Chlorophyta is also known as green algae. Then Ignonophyta, it includes both freshwater as well as terrestrial forms. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and beta carotene are most dominant photosynthetic pigments are observed in this division. Reserve food matrix are present is in the form of paramylum and lipids. Motile reproductive cells are uniflagellate, biflagellate, or triflagellate in nature. The Ignonophyta are commonly known as green flagellates. Division Pyrophyta. It includes mainly unicellular and few are colonial in nature. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, and beta carotenes and xanthophytes are most important pigments are observed in these divisions. Reserve food matrix is recorded is in the form of starch and oil. Cell wall of these members are cellulosic in nature. Motile reproductive cells are biflagellates. Sexual reproduction is rarely present in this division. Next, Chrysophyta. The members of Chrysophyta includes both freshwater as well as marine natures. Carotene, xanthophylls, and xanthophylls with chlorophyll A are the most important photosynthetic pigments are observed in these divisions. The reserve food materials are occurs is in the form of leukocyte and oil. The cell wall of these members is made up of silicified in nature. Motor reproductive cells are uniflagellate, biflagellate, or triflagellate in nature. Sexual reproduction is isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous types are recorded in this division. Fifth division, Phaeophyta. It includes mostly marine habitat. Phycophene and Phycoxantheri with chlorophyll A are the most important photosynthetic pigments are observed. Reserve food materials are occurs in the form of laminarian and mannitol. Cell wall of these members is made up of cellulose with fucinic acids and alginic acids. Motor reproductive cells are pyriform in nature with two flagella. Sexual reproduction is isogamous, anisogamous, or oogamous types are observed. The Phaeophyta members are also known as brown algae. Sixth division, Cyanophyta. The members of Cyanophyta mostly occurs in the freshwater habitat. These are prokaryotic in nature. Pigments are photosynthetic pigments are phycocyanin and phycoerythrins are observed. Reserve food materials are recorded is in the form of phycocyanin starch. Motor reproductive cells are absent. Sexual reproduction is also absent. Asexual reproduction is by formation of hormones, kinetics, and fragments. The Cyanophyta members is also known as blue-green algae due to presence of phycocyanin. Division Rhodophyta. The occurs mostly in marine and few are the freshwater forms. Chlorophyll A, phycoerythrin is most important photosynthetic pigments are recorded in these divisions. Reserve food materials are recorded is in the form of Floridian starch. Plant body is non-motile and complex in nature. Sexual reproduction is oogamous types. Motile reproductive cells are not observed in these divisions. The Rhodophyta members are commonly known as red algae. Thank you.